Bates Professional 17 how-to video. In this video, we'll show you how to use existing data to save all your stamp information, including the next number, so you can continue the project by just adding files. I want to mention before we start that you can save any existing project to our database so that you don't have to type any of the information in again. You just add files, and this is called use existing data, and we'll show you how to do that right now. So we're going to press next. We're going to go get some electronic documents. And we'll select 3 of these files, test files. We got our files in. We'll go to the next page. We'll leave this at default. This is the customer information page. This is what triggers the saving of the project to the database. You have several fields that can be filled in, ordered by, client number, client name, keywords. If you type something in here, you'll change the metadata of the PDF. If you don't type anything in, it will retain the original metadata. But you do need, the only requirement to activate this database is a client name. So we'll put existing data here. And we'll say next. I'm going to change this to a 1. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to edit that to existing data. And we'll save that change. We'll say next. Going to put it in the top left. We're going to say next. We're just going to do files. And we'll say next. And our files are done. And then we have a chance to save the project or just continue without saving. So we're going to save it. And now we're back at the main screen. The next time we want to do the existing data job, we just say next. Oops, just a minute here. I can do it here. I'm using my new user. So we're going down to existing data as an input source. And we'll say, there's our existing data job. And we'll say next. We'll go get files. So we'll get 3 more files. We'll say next. We leave that a default. Existing data is already filled in. The next number is filled in. That would be the 10. Press next. This is filled in. And we're going to stamp it in the top left corner. And this is on PDF files again. And you notice that we didn't have to type 1 keystroke on that whole job. And you can continue all your jobs like that. And it doesn't make any difference if you put 3 files in or 80,000 files. It will act the same way. And on this, if you don't want to save each particular job, you can overwrite the client information with a checkbox after it's been saved. And now we'll still have just one job, but the starting number will be 10 and the last number will be 18. So I'll save that. I'll go back here and I'm going to go to existing data. You notice that we have just the one job there and the ending number was 18. And here's all the other jobs that I have saved to the existing data. So any of these jobs can be continued by just clicking on them, clicking next, and adding the new files to be stamped. And that's all there is to it. It's just great. Thank you for viewing our how-to video. Please download our Bates Professional 17 and give it a test drive and see how easy it is. And remember, help button on every page tells you exactly what to do on that page. Thanks again. Bye.